bee just flew into the light. Her stinger is out. And the spider is coming down and he's tangled her wings little by little so he doesn't get hurt. Oh my God. Wow. He's wrapping her up so she can't move little by little. He's so
He didn't
careful.
go around her. What do you mean he's
No,
wrapping her up?
look, just look. Come closer. Look at this. Look at this. He's actually, oh, and now he's giving her a bite. Oh my God. He just bit her head right now. He's injected a dose of venom in her. Holy smokes. I can't believe I'm witnessing this. Wow. And he goes back again. He just injected venom in her. He tangled her wings with spider webs so she can fly and free herself. And boom, now he's injecting venom again. Unbelievable. Yeah, it looks like it's taking a toll on the poor bee. But I'm letting nature prevail.
Why don't you free her?
Well, she's done.
No, she's not.
She's
Why don't
done.
you free her? She's not done.
And there you go. He's injecting venom again into her head. Oh my God, how many times is he gonna do this?
You should free her. That's